Welcome back to SRC.
It's Color Week.
And today we are reading Purple, Green, and Yellow by Robert Munsch.
And we'll be doing this circle heart art.
Hey guys, today we are reading a book from the Munsch Works Grand Treasury called Purple, Green, and Yellow. And that is written by Robert Munsch and illustrated by Helene Desputento. And it's also published by Annick Press. If you would like to listen to Purple, Green, and Yellow by Robert Munsch, click in the link in the description below.
Today we'll be doing circle paint art. Let's jump in.
For this craft, you will need a paper towel tube to use as a circular stamp. You'll need a piece of paper or cardstock, some paint. You especially need to make sure you have black, and some paintbrushes. With a pencil, draw out any shape you like and fill the page with it. We chose a heart. Now we're going to use our paper towel roll and use it as a stamp. Dip it into the black paint. Start by doing the outline of your shape. You want to have your circles overlapping, as we'll be coloring these in later. So just start by doing the outline of your shape and then fill the middle. Then set it aside to dry completely. Once it's dried completely, you can begin filling it in with your various colors.
That's how you do circle paint art. Have fun, guys.
Thanks for tuning in.